Hello, Mr. Manish. Thank you so much for joining us today as the jury for the Product Marketing and Growth Hacking Skillathon. In fact, we are honored to have you here today with us. You are our distinguished alumni. It's a pleasure having you once again at the campus, but this time as the jury. So to begin with, can you start with a quick introduction about yourself?
I am Manish Bajpai. I am CEO, co-founder and head of products at NITI Systems. And incidentally, I also happen to be the member of the first cohort of IPL EMBA. And it's really heartening to see how IPL has grown. And we are all happy to see the journey where I think the IPL, when it was started, the vision was to create 10,000 product leaders. I think we are very much on track of that, and I'm really happy about IPL.
My question to you would be, is Skillathon is IPL's approach for skill building and assessment. What is your opinion about Skillathon as an industry leader?
I always believe in the fact that learning by doing is the best way. No matter how much amount of theory you learn, till the time you get your hands dirty, you will not learn the pitfalls, you will not learn the corner cases, all the scenarios, issues, challenges that you face in the real world. So I think it's an excellent way of giving the exposure to the students to really develop the real life scenarios and the challenges that any business faces in the field.
So moving on to my second question is, what were the top 3 things that stood out to you today while our learners presented their work in front of an industry leader?
They all created very visually appealing presentations. So the quality of presentations was excellent. And enterprise class, I would say that was really very much there. All the participants were able to defend their ideas with data, with the research that they have done. It's a very good thing.
Third question is, would you be using something similar as Skillathon for your hiring in the future?
So we already do that. And that's inspired by how all the learnings at IPL. So we, whenever for any senior role, we always, while we are hiring someone, we actually give him a case study, and we ask him to work out a solution and present to us. And he has to do his part of research. And any senior guys currently at NITI is getting hired that way. So we are already doing it.
What is one key advice that you would want to share to the aspiring product leaders?
So I think one of the key things which I would like to say is that they have to obviously believe in their idea, that they have to sleep with that idea.
Right.
And also, but at the same time, not get emotionally attached to it, because they should be willing to pivot as in how the consumer feedback comes in, as in how the data comes in. It's very important to be open to that. At the same time, be very strongly opinionated about what you want to do, because that's the passion which will make you drive an idea to success. When you really believe in it, that's when all the commitment comes on the table. So you have to be committed, but at the same time open to pivot.
So thank you very much, and we look forward to more collaborations with you in the future.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.